No, I don't ever know. Shit. He's gonna have a good laugh when he does that. He's right there. Oh shit. There it is. You can see it. Oh shit. Shit. Holy shit. Oh damn it, dropped my phone. Shit. Phone's all wet. Oh shit, he's on me. Oh shit. Oh, I almost fell. I can't do no hiding place.
He didn't say anything either.
Shit, I should have filmed it from here. Fuck. But city water ass experts. Here he comes again.
Shit. I think you're gonna put the old one in the box and take it.
There's ass. He looked at it. Oh shit.
You didn't say anything or do anything.
There's ass.
Shit.
Pose. Looked at it again. Cody's going right. Oh, you just mooned everyone on YouTube. That was nasty. He's gonna go right ass on it. Shit. Oh. Run, fat boy, run. Oh. Shit. The citywide truck is leaving.
Ass truck's leaving.
Joy's gonna go?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we're gonna see the big ass eye roll.
What the hell? I see it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the ass in the back? What are you doing?
You're doing a dirty spot.
Oh, he erased it. Look. There's a big, look, there's a big white spot. Shit. Shit. You erased it. He's an ass. You erased it.